In a new notebook, select the Python category from the vertical tab menu.
We're going to build a wake-up app. First, add a title and a short comment so others know what your code does. We'll start by creating some variables and arranging them neatly. From the logic category, pick an if-else block and a binary OR comparison. From list, grab the item in list block and drop it in place. Edit it to check whether the current day is a weekend. Or whether the current hour is before 7 a.m. If either condition is true, print shh, else print a wake-up message. Then hit run.